Hi, I'm Neil Ryan Sese, and I'm an actor at GMA Network. Being in front of the camera has always been part of my life, but as time passed, I noticed my hair was thinning. I tried different clinics before, hoping to bring back my hair, pero kahit saan talaga ako pumunta, walang nangyayari. Pero ngayon, I'm here at ISA para i-try yung isa sa pinakabago nilang hair restoration treatment, the ISA Vitalax Infusion. Excited ako to finally see what this can do for me.
Today, our procedure for Mr. Niel is the ISA Vitalax infusion. This is an advanced treatment that helps nourish the scalp, stimulate hair follicles, and improve hair growth. It also strengthens existing hair para mas maging healthy, makapal, at natural look.
This is my first time experiencing this treatment, kaya sobrang excited ako. I've heard a lot of good feedback about ISA Vitalax infusion, kaya hopeful ako that this will be the start of something good for my hair. First session pa lang to, and I can't wait to see the result of my hair restoration journey. Only here at ISA.